This is a review of a gold doorknobs, and let's see what comes inside of a box. So you have the actual knobs. Then you have screws that you need to install. This is the inside part. You have this plate. You have this plastic piece. And you have some installation instructions in the box. It tells you what you need and how to install. I already installed a couple of these doorknobs, so I'll show you how it looks like on a door. And there's a little instructions if you need to make a cutout in a wall and in a door to install. And here it is already installed. I like the shape of this handle and it's in the size. I think it's perfect for my hand. Installation was pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Didn't take a long time. And I'll show you the little plate that goes on the other side. And it's shiny.